Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to add a new user account in Windows 11. Whether you are sharing your computer with family members, friends, co-workers, or you simply want to create a separate account for work or school, Windows 11 makes the process quick and easy. I will show you how to create a local account if you don't want to use an email address. Let's get started then. First, let's go and open Settings. On your left, find the Accounts. Scroll down and click Other Users. Here you have the option to add other user, so press Add Account. Pop-up window appears and asks you how this person signs in. I don't have this person sign in information, so press here. Press Add a user without a Microsoft account because we don't want to create a new Microsoft account. In this window, it asks you who is going to use this PC. Type in the username of the new account, test1, and asks for a password. I just pressed 126. In case you forget your password, there are some security questions. What was your first pet's name? What's the name of the city where you were born? Etc. etc. This field is required, so let's press here, for example, your answer, test. Then press next. You see, you have to answer all these questions. What's the name of the city you were born? Test. Third security question, what was your childhood nickname? Test. Then press next. The new user account has just been created. The username is test1. By default, every new account is created as a standard user. A standard user can use the computer normally, but cannot install software for all users, change important system settings, or manage other user accounts without administrator approval. If you want the new account to have administrator privileges, here is how to change it. You have to go to Settings again, Accounts, scroll down to Other Users, and here you will find the user we created before, with username test1. If you press the arrow here, there are two options. Press Change Account Type. Here now you can choose if you want to keep this new user as standard user or change it to administrator. And then press OK. Select administrator if you want that account to have full administrative permissions, and then click OK. Now that the account has been created, let's see how to use it. Click the Start button, select your current profile picture, then click the new user account if it's available. Here, it's not available yet. So, therefore, choose Sign Out. On the Windows sign-in screen, you'll now see the newly created account. Click it, enter the password, if one was created, and Windows will prepare the account. The first sign-in may take a few minutes because Windows needs to create the user's personal profile and desktop. After that, each login will be much faster. If you ever need to remove an account, it's very easy. Go back to Settings, Accounts, scroll down to Other Users, click the account you want to remove, it's the account test1, and select Remove. Windows will warn you that deleting the account will permanently remove all files, desktop items, documents, pictures, downloads, and other personal data associated with that account. If you are sure, click Delete Account and Data. Be careful because this action cannot be undone unless you have backed up the user's files. Here are a few helpful tips. If multiple people use the same computer, giving everyone their own account helps keep files, settings, and applications organized. Each user gets their own desktop, documents, browser history, and personalized settings. Using separate accounts also improves privacy since each person signs in with their own password. For children, you may want to create a child account using Microsoft's family safety features, which include screen time limits, content filtering, and activity reports. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Windows 11 tutorials, computer tips, and step-by-step technology guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.